we're here with Water Cute, and we're making the amazing mess cake.
With my own ingredients.
Yeah.
Juice, milk, butter, and milk.
We got the kitchen laboratory thing.
Which I found in the bathroom.
We couldn't find the instructions. Wait,
so we didn't use the instructions and just randomly tossed things in.
Wait, get water.
Where's the water? We need water. A tablespoon of water.
Yeah, good idea. Guys, we are scientists. No, I got this.
Just pour loads of water into it.
That's great. Okay. Look how good this is, guys. It looks really
Can I put
tasty.
it in the microwave? You promised I could.
Yes, you can.
Yay!
It's not done yet. We still have more to do. Waiting.
What, so we need to put in more meth?
Yeah.
Okay. Makes sense.
This actually
You know all
looks
that time we could have poured it into this and life would be so much easier.
Well, life isn't easy, Kate.
Exactly.
Yeah, good idea.
You're welcome! What's this?
We haven't even used all of it. Oh yeah,
It's
this
sugar.
is a proper mess.
It's sugar.
Yeah, let's make it really sugary and poisonous.
Or is it meth?
I don't think anything's poison in this. We can eat it.
It's probably meth.
I know. So that
Here
means
to
we
drug
can eat
little
it.
children.
We're not little children.
Well, still, you get one. You're gonna wipe hair on you.
Well, thanks for your hair.
You're welcome. Can I do the whiskers time?
Yes.
We're now going to whisk. What have I created?
We created, you mean?
What have we created?
This is really
I need to look in the thing.
Oh, wait.
Add on this.
Yeah?
No. Seriously, no.
Underage drinking.
Would you like to add any bread? Yes.
Add a tiny.
Bread chunks.
This is gonna be awesome.
I need to search for any more horrible ingredients.
Just gonna add everything in the fridge. Okay, guys, here is
coconut water.
We're gonna add coconut.
I'm just looking in the fridge. Mum's gonna kill me.
This is the last ingredient. We put it in the microwave.
Mum is gonna kill me.
And we hide everything.
Yeah. Then we let her finish our meth cake. The end.
We'll put the meth cake in. Wait. I can't
I'm
open it.
snogging her. Mum's gonna kill me. You did it!
Oh well, no I didn't. Okay, let's give up. This is enough. Put it in the oven.
Okay.
Put it in the oven.
Put it in the... Can you change it to look in the microwave? Let's do it for more than a minute.
No, 30 seconds. You need to close it first.
I don't know how to do this.
Okay, wait.
That's the clock.
What the hell is wrong with it?
Stop.
I don't know.
Yay! We did it!
We did it!
How to... Oh!
Yeah, that didn't work. I don't think it worked. it set fire. Did you see? Wait.
Oh my god. Do you smell that?
Oh god. We never did anything. It's not the best cake end. This was the end.
Oh god.
This is great.
The microwave set fire.
Yeah.